Determination that changed the world. Written and narrated by Maria Victoria Copa. Nkosi. Nkosi Johnson is my name, spelled Nkosi, meaning superior, master, chef. I was born in South Africa on February 4th, 1989. Beautiful, isn't it? My mother, beautiful, strong, loving, died when I was only 2. She died from the AIDS HIV virus. I later became an orphan, but I was later adopted by Gail Johnson. I was blessed with 2 mothers in my life. I was a keynote speaker and traveled to spread awareness and advance HIV campaigns. These campaigns helped to prevent and stop the pandemic in South Africa. Care for us and accept us. We are all human beings. We are normal. We have hands. We have feet. We can walk. We can talk. We have needs just like everyone else. Don't be afraid of us. We are all the same. Along with my mom, we founded a refuge for those positive with HIV, mothers and children alike. At first, I was unable to receive education, but I'm able to help give others education. I was seen as a hero, but there were so many that inspired me and were my heroes as well. My story didn't stop on June 1st, 2002, just my heart. My spirit and passions remain in the hearts of many who knew me, and they continue my legacy.